Hey y'all, how you doing? Look at my Mimi. Turn around, girl. Let's see. Got on a nice little summer dress with your new slippers. Looking cute, girl. And I have on regular clothes today, y'all.
You too?
Mm-hmm. It surprisingly fits. Yeah. And Kai is 1 month old today. Kai, hi. He said no. Don't cry. Oh. Hi. It was Makai's 1 month checkup today, but they canceled the appointment. The doctor had an emergency. So we had got dressed and everything and then called to say we was on our way, and they ended up canceling it anyway. So Mila and I are going to the supermarket really quickly. We need to get some more food. And we need some healthy alternatives.
Ew.
So Daddy's gonna stay with Makai.
I don't like healthy.
You don't like healthy?
No, I like tacos. You make the best tacos. I gave you a taco card. Show your viewers your taco card.
I made tacos the other night and Nakif and Mila love it. She made me a taco card. Tacos. And she wrote, "I love it, Mom. Good job." And her B is backwards. But first, a special thanks to Mamazing for sponsoring this portion of today's video and sending over the lightest full function travel stroller ever. Let me show you. This is the Ultra Air X Stroller, a groundbreaking new standard in baby travel gear. It comes in this travel bag that is very easy to carry due to this stroller weighing only 9.9 pounds. That's pretty impressive. I'm able to effortlessly pick up this bag, carry it on my shoulder with the stroller inside of it. Other brand strollers weigh about 17 to 20 pounds on average, which is a huge difference. It's a fully functional stroller, just like any other stroller, with a sun canopy, a sight window, brake foot pedal, carrying basket, which is perfect for storage, and it's always a plus when you have storage. This stroller is very compact, as you can see, and super easy to open and close, making it perfect for travel, boarding the airplane, which can be a very huge task, and, just bringing it anywhere. The Ultra Air X stroller will be perfect for my baby boy once he gets a little older, as the stroller is suitable for children 6 to 36 months old. It's crafted with aerospace grade carbon fiber material, which makes it 10 times stronger than your average stroller. This is definitely one of my newest baby essentials, and it can be yours too. All you have to do is click the link in my description box below to get your hands on one of these strollers. You will not regret it. Hey everyone, so we're back in the house. It's very hot out, y'all. I'm literally sweating. I had to pull my hair up. My hair is sweating out. It is so hot. So I'm actually going to share with y'all like a huge grocery haul. I feel like I haven't shared a grocery haul in a minute. I know y'all be liking them. It's very strenuous for me to be filming it because my kitchen is so little and it's hard for me to like spread out everything. I'll be doing it for y'all because it just took me about 20 minutes just to put everything up on the counters and just try to look some type of great way because it is discombobulated, y'all. I couldn't even group things together because of nowhere to put it. Like right now I'm gonna take a moment to just pray. Lord, please bless me and my family with a bigger place, with a nice, beautiful, big kitchen with an island. Lord, please. I'm gonna manifest that, y'all. But anyway, so I went to Stop and Shop. I spent almost $500 on all of these things. This is considered like our monthly grocery shopping haul. And if we need like little things here and there, which most of the times we don't because of the way I shop, but like sometimes I don't get every single thing from Stop and Shop. So let me just run through it. It's a mess, y'all. So let me just show you. Try to get a lot of more healthy stuff, but I'm still have to go to the fruit and vegetable store and to probably the meat store or something. But anyways, I got some fruits. Stop and Shop fruits are like a hit and a miss, but Keith insisted he wanted some fruits. So we got some watermelon, we got some green pears, some avocados, some limes, some peaches. He wanted peaches, some mandarins, 2 pounds of grapes, strawberries, bananas. I just ate one of those. Pineapple, Honeycrisp apples, some peppers. Not gonna be in order. I got 2 things of cheese, white American and regular. I got some taco mix because I made tacos the other night. I told you, They really loved it, so I got some more taco mix. Minced garlic from when I cook. Some corned beef now that I can eat beef again. I'm not pregnant. I haven't had Spam. My mom said I had Spam when I was younger. I just been seeing people eat it on my TikTok and stuff, so I just want to try it. Some breakfast essentials. I had a throwback. If you remember when Mila was younger, I had to find a milk alternative. So got this and this. She want to try these two. These cupcakes are hers. She had one already. Little popsicle thing on it. It's cute. I've really been on my Oreo kick, and the girlies are saying that Oreos help with breast milk. I don't know if that does or not, but I've been craving it a lot lately. I haven't had double stuffed in a while, but the double stuff was on sale. So I just got two, and Mila's been eating Oreos with me, so I got 2 packs. I got some sweet potatoes in here in the cut here because I'll keep on some sweet potatoes to eat healthier. 2 things of Pediasure for Mila. Some turkey sausage, some low sodium bacon store brand, some eggs, 2 cans of green beans with no salt because I like to season it, some deli honey turkey. This is what Lakeith wanted, $10 amount of that. Ground turkey and ground beef since I could eat beef again. I also got some chicken tenderloin. Everything is sweating because it's hot. And I got some drums. See, I think I could hold this. Yes, I'm getting strong. And some chicken drums, y'all. This is so heavy. I can't believe I just did that. And then I got 3 aloe vera leaves because I'm gonna be doing some stuff with that. I'm gonna try this juice on Mila, this apple juice. It was like 2 left on the shelf, so it must be good. I got some more black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I ran out of those. Cane sugar, 0 sugar Minute Maid strawberry lemonade. The pink lemonade one is so freaking good. So I'm gonna try the strawberry lemonade one because now I could drink things with 0 sugar again because I'm not pregnant. I got the fruit punch and I got pineapple. I never tried the pineapple before. Everything is sweating, y'all. Over here, y'all see it's a mess. I got some soft taco tortillas, 100% whole wheat Arnold bread. Supports healthy digestive system. So we'll see. Some popcorn. This is a great little snack when you're trying to eat a little wiser. Boom chicka pop, butter and sweet kettle corn, so good. Mila has been obsessing over the blue bag Doritos, so I got that for her. Some regular white bread, because Mila is probably not going to be a fan of that, so I got some regular white bread. These, just to have, Lakeith kind of drinks them here and there. I got 2 of these, one with the calcium in it, and then this, so I don't have to go back to the store for like a month. It'll last us. Annie's cheese for Mila, the white cheddar and the regular cheddar, and then the store brand one because she just gets in her moods. I got 2 half and halves, but I picked up fat free by accident, y'all. I hate the way fat free tastes, but hopefully I could dig it because if not, I'm gonna go back to the store and get me regular. I got this. This was on sale, and Mila's gonna try this new Fruit Loops with marshmallows in it. So it's gonna be a mixture of like healthy stuff and not so healthy stuff. It's okay. Got one life to live, right? So I got this Great Nuts. I haven't had this in a while, but I'm gonna be making different stuff. You can make like parfaits, you can eat it as cereal. Like, I haven't seen this in a while and it was on sale, so I'm gonna be trying so much great things with this. I like the way grape nut tastes, and I also got some Greek yogurt. So I got the store brand complete buttermilk pancake and waffle mix. It was on sale for $2.50. Just add water, so I got 2 boxes of those. This was on sale as well. Some Pete's coffee, off the grid medium roast. I never had this. I like to try different coffees. Some black tea. I ran out of that. Whole grain spaghetti, oatmeal cream pies. I heard this was good for breast milk as well, but I already like these, so I had one. The sugar's not too crazy in that either. Just got a couple of mac and cheese. Lakeith likes grits, so I got the instant, and we really like this raisin and spice oatmeal. It's like the best oatmeal. Don't argue with me. It is. The regular one for like different things, smoothies and stuff, and it's gluten free. I got this. It was on sale. Spicy brown mustard. Some apple cider vinegar with the mother. I haven't had that in a while. Some C4. These was on sale for Lakeith. My heart can't hold that. All right. He's been working on a lot. I've been really liking the body armor because it has coconut water in it, electrolytes, which is good for breast milk, but I was drinking the regular one, which had too much sugar in it. This only has 2 grams of sugar, so I'm trying out different flavors. They were on sale. So I got the blueberry pomegranate, the peach mango, kiwi strawberry. The dragon fruit I heard was really good. There was only 1 left of that, so I'm supposing it's really good. And I just got another peach mango. I feel like that one's gonna taste good. I already have the orange clementine here at home. I really love the way that one tastes. And then Amazon has it online too for a good price. So I also got this Poppy prebiotic soda. I've been seeing my mom drink it, so I want to try it. She seems to really like it. Got me back some Carrie's sugar-free syrup. This to have in the cut when milk runs out. It is Almond Breeze almond milk unsweetened and vanilla, 30 calories. Got some honey balsamic vinaigrette dressing. I really love balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Welch's Natural. Mila only likes grape jelly. She hates strawberry. Extra virgin olive oil to cook with. A couple of these yogurts. Lakeith likes these yogurts. They were on sale. At Chipotle Ranch, Lakeith likes ranch dressing. I don't. Ketchup, the Greek yogurt, non-fat. What else is there? On the floor, we got the Kool-Aid Jammers. They were on sale 2 for $5. Like, what? For Mila's mini fridge. My mom got her a mini fridge in her room. So we just keep it stocked with little box juices. I got 2 packs of the ice drinks. This is my favorite pack, which is the fruit punch, black cherry, peach nectarine, and the coconut pineapple. This is the best pack. This neon pink one. And then I just got 2 of the Honeycrisp apple juices for Mila. Is that it? Wow, I did all of it. And also got a spring water for the baby because we use that in the breezer over there and it's leaking, so that's why I put it in there. Wow, I was very like nervous. I don't know, I felt overwhelmed because it's so small in here and I ran through that like nothing, y'all. So I'm gonna pack these stuff up and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so after a couple of hours, it took me some time to pack away everything and get everything situated. So my breasts are actually very, very, very engorged, like so engorged. So I'm gonna be using the Spectra pump that I shared in the last vlog. My breasts are leaking right now all over the place, oh my goodness. But yeah, so I wanna try it. It has like the double pumping, but I'm gonna just do it on one here, and then I'm using one of the Mom Cozies here, the wearable pump on one, because normally women would breastfeed from one and then have it because you have to hold it there, and like I don't have time to be holding it on both. Like I need a hand free to deal with Makai and Mila and to just move around. So because we was rushing out for the appointment that got canceled, I didn't get to do my morning pump. I was so tired because I stayed up overnight with the baby. Me and Lakeith was going back and forth with the baby, per usual. And then I went straight to the supermarket with Mila, so I didn't get to pump. So they're gorged, they hurt. So I'm trying this out. I just watched a video to help me. I literally got milk all over. So I'm going to try it. It says you're supposed to do the letdown first, which I just did the letdown, which is the little wave thing. And then now I'm just going to test it out here. It comes naturally with a 24 mm. Is this? No, wait. You could hear the Mom Cozy one going. I have it on vacuum 3. I'm gonna see what I could get from this. I went to my postpartum appointment the day before yesterday. Well, it was yesterday. She told me that I can start to do core exercises and my hair this is hurting me. I want to take this off. So that I could start to do core exercises and light walking, and then like in 2 weeks, which would be my 6th week, I could do like regular working out, which I can't wait to start doing. Just gonna go ahead and pump and see if I can get some milk. My right breast actually doesn't really give me as much milk as my left does. So hopefully I can get something. Oh my god, it dripped everywhere. Hopefully I can get something out of here. It's my first time using the pump. Later on that night, I made some ground beef and mac and cheese, and Mila wanted to show you guys her dinner. So the next night, I end up making, it's going to be like a healthy dinner idea. We kind of was in the mood for some sweet potatoes. I have my tilapia fillets soaking in some vinegar water, and then I boiled some water in a pot because I'm going to be making some sweet potato mash. At first, we were going to just do baked sweet potatoes, but we felt for like mashed sweet potatoes, which I actually never did before. So yeah, it actually is really easy. So I just use a peeler and I just peeled off the skin, and then I just chop them up because I'm using a small pot. You don't have to chop it up, but it just makes it cook faster when you chop it up. So I just make it like I would make potatoes mashed. So it's kind of like similar, but it's just sweet potatoes are a little harder. So I just put them in the boiling hot water, and then I'm going to start to prep my tilapia. I wanted to do salmon, but I couldn't find any fresh salmon for a price point that I was looking for at the Stop and Shop. So we're going to use the tilapia, all right? I use some olive oil at the bottom of my baking dish that my mother got for me. I love this dish so much. And I'm just going to add the seasoned tilapia to the pan. I'm going to put it in the oven on 350. I feel like I've shared this with you guys a lot of times before. 350 for about 13 minutes, and then I'm going to broil it for about 4 minutes after. And now I'm going to be doing a side of greens. So I have a can of unsalted green beans, which I shared in the Stop and Shop grocery haul. And it has no salt in it. So I'm going to add my seasonings. This is optional. I add some butter. And then I'm just going to put some like vegetable seasoning and all purpose and, you know, just season it how I want it. It just tastes a lot better this way. And then I'm just going to simmer it on low for about 5 to 7 minutes. So my sweet potatoes are done, and I'm gonna add my milk and butter, but the milk has to be warm, and the butter is just better when it's melted. It just blends better. And I think I added like too much milk. So I poured some out, and then I just started mashing it with my potato masher. And then this time I'm going to add some brown sugar, which was great. You can also add cinnamon, but the brown sugar just was like a better option for us. It wasn't too sweet, but it came out really good. And then optional too, cream cheese. I added in my potatoes. So it actually tastes pretty good in the sweet potato as well. I just added 2 tablespoons. And then I added, I don't remember. What did I add? I just started mashing it up, and then boom, this is dinner. It came out so good. The tilapia was so buttery. The green beans were seasoned just right. And the potato mash may look like baby food, but let me tell you, it was so good. I hope you give it a try. It made us feel so good and healthy inside. That's pretty here. Are you ready to get ready? Where's his baby? You puking? So this is what I'm going to put on Makai. It says, I'm Willie Handsome. And these shorts, it's a little set by Millie and Miles. 0 to 3, yes baby.
My game.
And Mila is playing Roblox. She wanted to show y'all. Kakai.
Daddy, answer.
He don't like to put on his clothes. Look at him in his little outfit. How cute. He's so big. So I had went on the scale yesterday, and I weighed myself, and then I weighed him, holding him, and he's approximately 10 pounds. He added 10 pounds to my scale. So today we're gonna see. We're guessing he's about 10 pounds. Last time, like maybe 2 weeks ago, Makai was like 8.8, I think. And going up to 10 so fast, we're gonna see. But we running late for the appointment, so let's go. Baby Makai is so pissed off. Yeah. He wants his bottle. Who's trying to rush? It's the cluster feeding right now. No, he said nah. Get the bottle. Where Daddy? Daddy got the bottle. Oh no, Kai. All right, we're literally right in front of the doctor, the pediatrician. No, Kai, don't cry, baby. Please don't cry. We're right here. Dry your eyes. We are here today. Mila left us. Oh no, it's okay, baby. Oh no, where's Makai? I'll keep asking. So on his next visit, he's gonna have to get shots, y'all. I'm so nervous. Smoking? Where they smoke? Yeah, I smell it. I'm gonna beat them up. Why they smoking around my babies outside? Let me stop. So we're back inside, and I got Makai all changed and wiped him off from like the doctors and everyone touching him. Now I'm trying to put him to sleep because he's tired, but he's fighting it. And I asked the doctor about his rash, and they said it could be a heat rash, but I'm like, there's like little white heads. So he said to use like coconut oil or something like that. So I'm just trying to put Kai to sleep now.
And I was saying, you know, if we make the playoffs, I'm a down my hair deal. Season starts, we're out of practice, and I'm a man of my word. If I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it.
You're not gonna go to sleepy time?
It's